What's up, you guys? We're on our way to IHOP to get some breakfast. It is 10:50 a.m. So yes, you guys, I've been craving IHOP for a while. I was like, and my daughter, she didn't go to school today because she have a half day. They're supposed to be getting out in 10 minutes. So I just decided to not take her to school because, you know, we was up and everything. Plus, it was just no point because I don't got time to be doing all that, getting her ready and all that, just to have to come pick you up in 2 to 3 hours. So yeah, we get ready to just go have a mommy-daughter day. We get ready to go mommy-daughters. So we get ready to go to IHOP, then we're gonna go to TJ Maxx because I got some coupons I need to use. So we're gonna go see if I can find, like, if they got some spring stuff out yet for the girls, so I can buy them some stuff. And then we're going to go look at some houses. I just love looking at new construction homes and just homes, period. So we just gonna go out here and look, see if I can find my dream home. Like, so yeah, I'll show y'all what I'm eating once we get to IHOP. So we're here, guys. We are here. Alright, so you already know I'm getting me an omelet in one of these. I'll probably get the Colorado joint without the beef. That's what I usually get. And the pancake. Liam, what's up, baby? Take me out of breakfast.
Look at my pancake.
Nice. This looks so delicious, you guys. So delicious. So delicious. It's about to taste so good. Alright, so we about to take this up. I got my strawberry syrup coming. Yeah. Alright, you guys. It's got the strawberry syrup blend.
And I have the regular syrup. The regular syrup is for me. And the strawberry syrup.
So, like that. So delicious.
I remember
I think I need to clean my camera off. Like, it's so dirty. Oh, these pancakes are so good. I cleared the plate. Okay. It was been a minute since I had IHOP. I ain't been here since before she was born. Literally when I was pregnant. Before we came to celebrate. Before we came as our last little daughter, before me and her came as our last little mommy-daughter date before the baby came. It's literally been like 10 months. Over that amount of time. But I try to see you guys. It's dinner. He's talking here. What's up, you guys? So I'm about to go ahead and start prepping dinner. We're gonna have these Cornish hens. I just took 2 of them out since it's only me and the girls. So I'm actually gonna try to stuff them with this cornbread. I've never had stuffed Cornish hens. This is actually my first time ever making Cornish hens. So let's see how this works out, you guys. Yeah, so let's see. I feel like it's gonna be good. My mom used to make Cornish hens when I was growing up, but she used to stuff them with wild rice or something like that. But I want to try it with the cornbread. I mean, with the stuffing. So we're gonna see how this work out. So let's get to it. All right, so we just cleaned off our chicken. You guys see it? So we just cleaned off the hens. So just like put them on this paper towel to dry them. They're soaking wet. See the insides. That's what we're gonna be stuffing. Ew, look at that. That's gross. So make sure you get your lemon juice, lime juice, vinegar. Get it all in the inside and get that clean as well. You feel me? So this is my first time making this, you guys. Ew, this shit looks nasty. So we're gonna put one over there. This shit is really gross. Looking at a whole goddamn chicken like this. Yeah. This literally like a baby chicken. You see it? That shit. The baby chicken. Alright. But we're just gonna put them in here. And then we're gonna tuck her legs and her wings. But right now we're just gonna set that in there. I guess I can go ahead and season it. That way while I'm cooking the stuffing, After I finish cooking the stuff, I'm gonna just stuff everything back in here. So we're gonna just cover it up with some olive oil. Pick her up. Alright, let's go ahead and season her. Y'all already know onion powder. The fraternal twins, y'all already know. Sprinkle a bunch of that in. Garlic powder. Smoked paprika. Salt. We're gonna put some Himalayan salt on there. So we're gonna rub some of this over it. So let's actually get a spoon. Let's see if we can like just rub it in the chicken maybe. The rotisserie chicken seasoning and sprinkle it over. And then we're gonna put some poultry seasoning on here. And we're going to take our herbs, our thyme, our bay leaf, our rosemary, and we're gonna stuff the inside of the turkey with some herbs. I mean, not the turkey, y'all know what I mean. We're gonna stuff right in the inside. Right in the inside of there. So I can get that good flavor. All right. So now, you gotta put this butter. I don't really know how much I'm gonna put in there. Just we'll see. I guess I'll put like half of that stick in there maybe. I'm gonna take some celery seed and sprinkle it in here. All right, we already stuffed this inside of these hens. Just gonna take some scoops and stuff them in there. And just put them in here. And we're done. I'm about to put some chicken broth on the sides. All right, you guys. So we're about to go ahead and cover this up. Put her in the oven. Let's pour a little bit more chicken broth because I want a lot of gravy. So we're gonna go ahead and cover this up and put it in the oven on 375. And let this puppy do its thing. All right, so we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, you guys, look at that. It came out so good, you guys. So delicious, so tender. This is my baby plate. Oh my God. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go ahead and eat. I'm about to tear this food up, feed my kids, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get them ready for bed and everything. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Deuces.